Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video with Coding VT. So in this tutorial, we are going to create a bottom tab navigator and a header function for our home page, as you can see on the screen. So now let's just jump into the development section. So there are many ways to create a bottom tag navigator, but in this video we are going to create a bottom tab navigator component which we can use in every screen. Let's just create a new file with the name of bottom tab navigator in the component screen. And now let's just create a simple React Native function and export default it. Now let's just go back to the home screen and import this bottom tab navigator to test it. You can see after importing the bottom tab navigator on the home screen page, the content which we put on the bottom tab navigator screen. As our bottom tab navigator is working, so let's just give some styling to the home page screen. We need all the content of bottom tab navigator at the bottom. So for that, let's just give some styling to the safe area view. So now, as you can see, after giving some stylings to the safe area view, our bottom tab navigator content comes to the bottom. So now, let's just start adding content to the bottom tab navigator. First, just create a style sheet for all the stylings. Create our first touchable button. So for that, let's just import touchable opacity from React Native, and between them, the text of the button which we want to show on the bottom tab navigator. So first button is the home. We also need the icon with the text. So for that, just let's import the icon from the React Native element and just put the name of the icon which we want to show it on the screen. So as you can see, our first homepage button is ready. Let's just copy this old touchable opacity view and paste it 4 times for 4 different buttons. As you can see, we have 4 different buttons on the bottom tab navigator. Now let's just change the names and the icon names according to our requirements. So now, as you can see, we have created 4 buttons of our bottom tab navigator except the create plus button. So now, let's just create a button for the create post. Now same, as we have created the button buttons, let's just wrap an icon in the touchable opacity with the different names and the different styling. So the only difference between the other tab buttons and the create post button will be only of stylings. Now, let's just give the touchable opacity some absolute styling. as you can see, our create post text is behind the plus button. So for that, let's just add some styling. So as you can see, after giving some styling, our create post text is on the perfect location. Now let's just give some color to the create post text. And now our bottom tab navigator is ready. So now let's just move on to the homepage screen stack for adding some options to the homepage header. On the homepage stack, in the options, let's just put title as an empty string because we don't need any title here. So first, let's just put something in the header left. For that, let's just create a function of the header left and put some styling between it. So on the header left, we want our user image on the left side. For that, let's just import a view and in it import image from React Native and give the source of the image and some width and the height. So as you can see, after giving some styling, our user image is at the perfect location. And now we also want the name of the user with the image. So for that, let's just import the text from the React Native and put the name which we want to show on the screen. And let's just give some stylings to the name. So now our left header is ready. Now let's just create the header right. So on the right navigator, we just only want to show an icon to open the drawer navigator. For that, let's just import a custom icon which we have created before in the previous videos. Now, just give some name of the icon which we want to show on the right header. Let's just also add a search icon on the right header too. You can see the search icon on the right header. So for the second icon, let's just copy it and change the name of the icon which we want to show to open the drawer navigator. As you can see, our homepage header is completed. So some functionalities to this icon, when we'll click it, it will open the drawer. For that, there is a function name called navigation.toggle drawer. So when we'll call it, when we'll press this icon, it will open the drawer, as you can see in the video. So now our header and the bottom tab navigator is ready. So now let's just see you in the next video.